There are new details about an explosion in Houston, Texas. We now know 10 deputies were rushed to the hospital after two explosions at a chemical plant. The plant lost power during the storms this week. The facility is about 15 miles east of Houston. Officials are asking people to stay away from that area. Meanwhile, new mandatory evacuations are in place because of the threat of flooding. At least 29 people have died from Harvey. It's unclear how many could still be stuck in their homes. The Houston Fire Department will start going block to block today to search for anyone who might be trapped.
Helping people in need in their greatest moment of need. When you're most vulnerable, it's nice to know that somebody's actually going to come out there and help you.
Vice President Pence is on his way to Texas at the request of the president. He's going to meet with storm victims as well as state and local officials. And there are still so many people in need of help. The Red Cross is accepting donations by phone, email, and text. We have all the information and also a list of other charities at cbssf.com.